Welcome to Grantley Adams International Airport. We've upgraded our car park equipment to make your experience smoother and more convenient. Here's how it works. As you approach the entrance, slow down and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Push the button to get your parking ticket. Keep it safe. You'll need the QR code printed on it to pay and exit. Once you have your ticket, the parking arm will lift. Drive in and park. Take your ticket with you when you leave your vehicle. You'll need it to pay and exit. When you're ready to leave, head to the car park booth, which also displays a telephone number if you need after-hours assistance, to pay by cash or card or to a pay-on-foot machine. To use the machine, hold your ticket with the QR code facing the scanner. A red light will appear, scan the ticket, and the machine will show you your fee. To make your payment, insert Barbadian coins or bills into the appropriate space. The largest accepted bill is Barbados $20. After paying, return to your vehicle and proceed to the exit within 15 minutes. At the exit, scan your ticket again, holding the QR code face up under the scanner at the top of the machine. The arm will lift and you're on your way. If you need assistance at any point, push the information button. Our team is happy to help. The team at Grantley Adams International Airport thanks you for your attention and patronage. These upgrades are all about enhancing your experience. Follow us on social media for updates on even more improvements.